Hey there! We need to find a special number called the multiplicative inverse of 1, 0. This is a complex number, and we need to find another complex number that gives us 1, 0 when we times them together. Here is the formula we use. To find the inverse, we put over a squared plus b squared for the first part. And we put negative b over a squared plus b squared for the second part. Let's look at our number. The first part is 1, so it equals 1. The second part is 0, so b equals 0. Easy peasy. Now let's find a squared plus b squared. 1 times 1 is 1, and 0 times 0 is 0. So we get 1 plus 0, which is just 1. Now let's find the first part of our answer. We put a on top and 1 on the bottom. That's 1 split into 1 equal part, which is just 1. Now let's find the second part. We put negative b on top and 1 on the bottom. Negative 0 is still 0, and 0 split into 1 equal part is just 0. Now we put both parts together. The first part is 1 and the second part is 0. So our answer is 1, 0. This makes a lot of sense. The number 1, 0 is just the number 1. And 1 times 1 is 1. So 1 is its own multiplicative inverse. Great job! The multiplicative inverse of 1, 0 is 1, 0. The number 1 is its own inverse because 1 times 1 equals 1. You did it!